Hi everyone, welcome to the Core Cyber Skills course, Making Learning Cybersecurity Easy. This is just a quick course introduction and meet the trainer. So I'm Tom C, or Tom. My online alias is Control-Alt-Tom with a 0, and I'll be your trainer for the course. I'm UK based, had over 20 years experience in IT and cyber, worked in healthcare education, many government departments and a training environment where I've taught over 1,000 students in person and online. Currently, I'm a professional DevOps engineer and cybersecurity engineer. I'm a creator and YouTube trainer. And personally, I'm a husband, runner and traveller, having done over 5 continents and 35 countries, which is technically 17%. Some of my passions, where they lay, it's quite easy within the modules of the Cyber Core Skills course. So it's networking and Linux OS, bit of red teaming and scripting, Windows domain and Windows domain controllers and command line and PowerShell. Blue teaming and a bit of GRC, but these my interests do change the more I delve into a topic and learn more about it. So this is currently, as I do this video, where I'd say my passions do lay within the cyber technology realm. My current qualifications as of January 23 are as follows. So I've got some big theory hitters with the GRC, with CISP and CISM. I hit a lot of the core networking areas with Network Plus, 2 CCNAs and CyberOps, and a couple of red teaming certs there as well as cloud. Cool. So hopefully you're going to enjoy the course and have a little bit of trust in me and what I'm saying. Just some of my online arenas. So I've got my homepage, I've got my GitHub, YouTube, and on the GitHub you can find the Core Cyber Skills course repository as well as the podcast. My Control-Alt-Tom YouTube, LinkedIn, Discord, there's my username and there's the server for the community, my Twitter, and also my Try Hack Me profile. So if you're on any of those platforms, look me up and get in contact. So if there's anything relating to the course or you do have any questions, happy for you to touch base with myself either via my homepage or my email's just there. Cool. Thanks very much for watching. See you later.